Dundee's pen's finally done, and we're going to see how he likes it. You want to go see? Huh?
Hi, we're the Williams with Bellbrook Stables. Welcome to our channel. My name's Madison, my husband is Austin, and the two littles are Briley and Corbin. We invite y'all to look in on our family and see the memories we make at the farm along the way.
Ready? You want to hop around?
And he's off. I'd say this is one happy Wallaby. He went straight to eating all these new things, and they really like to eat, of course, grasses and roots and sticks, and he seemed to really like the pine needles, so he got to experience some new things. One of my favorite things about him is those little hands. So I did not know when I got him that they use their hands so much, and it's so adorable. The first time he grabbed onto my hand with his little hands, it'll just, I don't know, it'll melt your heart. It's so cute. So, yeah, that's my favorite thing about him, and watching him use his hands and hold on to things, it just gives me a smile. So now he just took some time to explore. It's not a very large area, but it's a whole new world when you've been used to being inside the house. And now he can learn to be more like his natural self. So I'll just kind of let y'all watch him for a bit and see how he does. check his little igloo cave out for a little bit before he decided to venture in it. And I still don't know that he's the biggest fan of it. I'm hoping he'll kind of learn to be, but you'll see he does eventually make his way in there.